Welcome. In front of me is the Oppo A5 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the phone to SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up your Files app, which is right here. Now, actually, before I start, I will capture a couple of photos so I have something to transfer. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to do this. I just want to have something to transfer. So let me just click a couple of them. There we go. And now I can actually start. So let's open up the File Manager app right here. Okay. And from here, you'll see the two storages. So you have the phone storage and the SD card. Now, I believe the photos are saved on the phone. So I'm just going to go look. And yep, there they are. So before you start looking for your files, photos and videos that you capture with the device itself will always be found under the DCIM folder, which is right here, as you can see. And also, by default, the phone saves all the photos and the videos to its own storage, not to the SD card. So I'm gonna proceed with moving it from the phone to the SD card. And further going on with it, pictures will have screenshots. So you can find all the screenshots right here. And let's go to all files. It basically shows just more folders. And as you can see, there's also downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded from Chrome, your email and stuff like that. And in that folder, you'll find also photos that you have downloaded, music, documents, whatever it is that you have downloaded, it will all be there. So yeah, okay, once you know where you can look for your file, I'm gonna go to my DCIM where the 3 photos are, as you can see right here. And once you locate it, all you need to do is hold it, and it gets selected as you just seen. Slides to the right and appears with the check mark. And then additionally, you can just tap on additional photos to add them if you want to move several. Now, if you have a folder full of photos, you don't actually need to select all of them individually by just tapping on them like I'm doing right now. You can also select, tap on right here to select all, as you can see right at the top, if not all of them are selected. So simply tap on it and then select all of them. But for me, it's not very many. Or you can also go back and just move the entire folder, which contains the files. So as you can see, camera, 3 items inside, which are the 3 photos. And you can select it the same way. And from here, you have the 2 options, cut or copy. Now, whichever one you choose is all up to you. Just keep in mind that cut will remove it from where it is right now. So if you move it, for instance, right now from the phone to SD card and remove the SD card, you won't have the photos on your device anymore. And copy will just create additional copy of it. So same situation, if you remove the SD card, you will have the photos on your SD card, but they will also be still on your phone. So it's all up to you what you choose. I'm gonna select copy. And once you have the option to paste and new folder, you want to go back. And depending where you want to move it, I want to move it to the SD card. So I'll go back to the first page where I have the choice between phone storage and SD card. Tap on the SD. And from here, I'm going to move it to DCIM again, just to keep it organized. And as you can see, there's also a camera folder, but there's nothing in here. So once let's go back to the DCIM. So once I'm here and I press paste, it will tell me that there is already a folder with the same name, as you can see, camera. So I'll have to override it. But because there's nothing in there, it doesn't really do anything. Let's tap on it. And you can see camera already exists, replace folder. Yep, it's replaced. And you can see 3 items. So you have the 3 photos that were on the phone now are on the external storage. You can see right here if I wouldn't be blocking it with my hand. So that is how you would move photos, videos, any kind of other file from one storage location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.